Howdy guys, and welcome to Forex Prop Reviews, or welcome back if you're a regular viewer. Always good to have you here. Well, another month has passed on by, so we've been busy putting together for you all of the key proprietary trading firm updates that occurred during June of 2025. So in this video, we'll go over the latest updates from some of the top prop trading firms in the industry and the recent developments and changes from some of these industry leading players. We do a monthly roundup of important updates across the industry every month, so you guys watching can always be up to date with what's going on across the broader prop firm industry. So in no particular order, let's dive in, let's cover some key prop firm updates that occurred in the industry through June. Alright, so in no real particular order, we're going to kick things off with Funded next. Now, they're not playing small this month. They've officially rolled out an instant funding program, and this is giving traders immediate access to accounts from 5, 10, and 20K, completely bypassing the evaluation phase. So this is perfect for those who want to jump straight into live market conditions without the stress of passing multiple stages. Obviously, maybe not designed for the complete beginner, but trust your own judgment. Even more impressive, they've doubled the top end of their Stellar Light line. And this is introducing a massive 200K Stellar Light account. Previously, the cap was just 100K. So this is a serious invitation for high capital traders looking to scale their operations pretty rapidly. So Funded next, they're widening the door for both beginners, newcomers, and then serious heavy hitters in the last month. Next up, we've got Funded Pro, who seems pretty determined to become the traders' firm of choice this year. They've implemented a massive reduction in trading spreads across all major asset classes. Just look at these numbers. FX majors slashed by 59%, indices 39%, commodities down by 50%, metals trimmed by 20%. This is a direct boost to every trader's bottom line, especially for those running frequent or high volume strategies. Plus, they've officially lifted all restrictions on news trading, meaning you can now trade during major economic releases across every phase of the challenge, even swing funded accounts. This was actually one of the most requested changes by their community, and they've implemented. And it doesn't stop there. They've brought back their hugely popular 90% profit split, and that is also in addition with the daily rewards feature. That's a significant income bump over industry averages and makes Funded Pro stand out for anyone who's focused on maximum earning potential. All right, shifting gears to top tier trader, they've made a very impactful regulatory move. As of June 9th, Top Tier has officially lifted restrictions for traders in Vietnam, Egypt, Pakistan, Germany, India, Turkey, Romania, Kenya, and the Czech Republic. So for traders in these countries who were previously on the sidelines due to compliance limitations, this is a big green light to get back into the action. It's also a clear signal that Top Tier wants to diversify and grow its global community by welcoming back markets that had been closed for months. So that's a great step forward there for Top Tier Trader and their growing community. FXify, they've been busy quietly building out its instant funding portfolio, and June marked a significant expansion. They've now introduced 75K and 100K instant funding accounts, and this is pushing well beyond their earlier ceiling of just 50K. So for traders who favor skipping evaluations, jumping right into live capital, it's substantial more buying power is now on the table, and this is making FXify a very attractive option for scaling strategies. So cool update there recently from FXify. All right, over at E8 Markets, user experience is getting a bit of a facelift. I need one of those. They've launched their brand new E8X dashboard, which is more than just a cosmetic upgrade, so to speak. It's designed to really make every step of the trading journey simpler, from signing up for a new challenge to tracking your stage progression and requesting payouts. It's all about reducing confusion, minimizing user errors, and keeping traders focused on what really matters, which is executing their edge in the market. So E8 consistently showing that they truly understand how much an intuitive interface impacts trader confidence and retention, and that's a really solid update there recently from E8 Markets. Moving on to Atmos Funded. They've traditionally been known for its structured 2- and 1-step challenges, but in June that changed. They've now rolled out an instant funding program and signaling a shift to meet the growing demand for immediate capital, as we can see so far a common theme in the June updates. So this is helping position Atmos alongside other big names in instant funding and gives traders more choices for how they want to approach their funding journey. All right, Blueberry Funded, they're setting sights on a bigger piece of the global market with the launch of Blueberry Futures. Now, this is backed by Blueberry Markets, a regulated heavyweight broker. This initiative isn't just a small expansion either. It's really meant to reshape how futures prop trading works with a strong emphasis on transparency, trader flexibility, and even compliance for US traders who often get left out due to tricky regulations. So Blueberry Funded, they're not just tweaking offerings here, they're innovating, they're signaling a long-term play to become a dominant force in futures prop trading. So keep an eye out for Blueberry Funded, Blueberry Futures, they're doing great things. All right, moving on to Bullwaves Prime, and this is a crossover you don't see every day. Bullwaves Prime has announced an official partnership with UFC athletes. Now their pitch is trade like a pro with the pros. This is more than just clever marketing. They're aligning themselves with athletes known for strategy, mental toughness, and precision. So Bullwaves is drawing a direct parallel to the mindset needed in trading. And backing it up, they've also gone completely commission-free. That's right, 0% commissions on all trades, meaning traders keep every cent of their wins without any platform cuts. Now, this could dramatically improve profitability, especially for scalpers and high-frequency traders. So Bullwaves having a really huge month of updates there. Moving on to Crypto Fund Trader, who is hinting at big things with the tease of CFT 3.0. And this is promising a faster, smarter, more powerful platform to completely revamp how traders engage with crypto markets. Early messaging suggests we'll see some more advanced analytics, better execution speeds, a streamlined user interface that really adapts to trader needs. In the meantime, they've expanded options for US traders by launching Match Trader under the banner USA is back. So this means American traders can once again access challenge-based funding, even while the MT5 platform remains still unavailable in the States. All right, Prop Nimbus, they made a bold move on the risk management front by introducing a 2% max risk per symbol rule. The rule is very straightforward, but it's strict. You breach it once, you get a soft warning. Breach it again, and it's a hard fail with the challenge or account termination. Now, this isn't just compliance theater, it's a clear initiative to foster disciplined trading and protect both the firm and the trader capital from catastrophic losses. So a nice little update there from Prop Nimbus. Okay, moving on to TradeX Prop. They're taking trader development to another level with the launch of X Academy. And this is spearheaded by their Rat Race Breaker, or the RRB program. It's not just about passing a challenge. This initiative digs deep into the psychology of trading, data-backed strategy development, and building a sustainable, independent lifestyle beyond the typical 9-to-5 grind. It's an education-first approach that shows TradeX Prop wants to shape long-term trader careers and not just quick account turnovers, which is a key parameter that we look for in a prop firm that has longevity. All right, over at Pip Farm, it's all about recognizing loyalty and performance. They've introduced Rank 6 in their XP feature, which comes with, jaw-dropping rewards, a 99% profit split, 60% account scaling, and a $1,000 trading voucher. Hey, I wouldn't mind that. Now, it's designed to motivate traders to climb the ranks and get truly elite benefits. Even onboarding has been turbocharged. They now promise ID verification within 24 hours, or they'll hand you a $100 voucher, no questions asked. And this is a powerful way to show confidence in their systems while also respecting traders' time. So Pip Farm consistently making some great updates, and these ones are no different. Okay, Funded Trading Plus has made a big tech pivot by bringing back MetaTrader 5, but now through their own direct license. So this means faster connections, dedicated servers, and a platform experience customized entirely for FT Plus traders without relying on generic white labels. It's a real smart move, and it reinforces trust and stability for anybody who loves MetaTrader 5, arguably the biggest in the industry. So really a small but very important update there from Funded Trading Plus. Alpha Capital Group is upping their platform game as well with the launch of Trade Locker, an advanced user-friendly interface that blends real-time data, robust analytics, and seamless trade execution. So it's all about giving traders better control, faster decision-making, and tools that feel less like hurdles and more like extensions of their strategy. So nice update there from Alpha Capital Group as well. All right, moving on to the final few updates for the month. SFX Funded, they had a massive month, expanding access to US traders through MetaTrader, finally cracking open a market that many international firms still struggle to serve. Now, they've also integrated TradingView directly into their platform, meaning their traders get professional grade charting without bouncing between tabs. And on top of all of that, they've launched the two-step Ignite challenge, starting at only $20 for a 5K account, making it easier than ever to test your skills on a budget. The Trading Pit, they've completely transformed their payout system by rolling out daily payouts for all traders across every challenge and funded account type. This is an incredible update. No more waiting for specific days. Profits can now be processed within 24 business hours, giving traders much faster access to their hard-earned cash, profits, and essentially in our eyes setting a new industry benchmark for payout speed. So the Trading Pit making some incredible updates of recent times. And last but certainly not least, rounding out our June recap is Blue Guardian, and they have been in full throttle mode. They've launched a new two-step pro challenge with more achievable targets, introduced 5K and 150K account sizes to widen trader entry points, and unveiled a 24-hour payout guarantee. If they miss that payout deadline, traders receive 100% of their profits, not just the usual split. That's a confident move in our eyes, and it sends a strong message about how seriously they take payout reliability. So Blue Guardian making some great updates and finishing the monthly update roundup in style. Well, these have been the recent updates and changes from some of the leading proprietary trading firms across the industry. We can see that the prop trading firm industry as a whole is constantly evolving, and good quality, legitimate trading firms are looking to adjust and improve their offerings to traders, and that's why they find themselves at the forefront of the industry. Now, let us know in the comments below your perspective, your thoughts, your feedback, particularly if you enjoyed any of these changes that these prop trading firms have provided. Which of these prop firm updates caught your eye the most? We always love to see your feedback in the comments, especially if you are a trader working directly with any of these prop firms. We'd especially like to hear your input. And don't forget as well, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel here, our other social media pages, and that way you can always be up to date with what's going on in the prop trading firm industry. We'll make sure you receive important news and updates about reputable and trustworthy prop firms that we also list on our website. And that wraps up this monthly update video. Wishing every single one of you successful trading, and look forward to seeing you on the next one.